In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales performance in Pipedrive in a simple and effective way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a clear visual report that shows exactly how your sales are performing and helps you make better decisions. Let's get started. First, log into your Pipedrive account and look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a section called Insights. This is where all your reports and analytics are stored. Go ahead and click on it. Think of this area as your control center for tracking performance, where you can analyze everything without going through each deal one by one. Once you're inside the Insights section, look at the top left corner and click on the Create button. From the drop-down, select Report. This opens a new workspace where you can build your custom sales report from scratch. Now, the next step is choosing what type of data you want to analyze. Pipedrive gives you options like deals, leads, and revenue forecast. If you want to track actual sales performance, choosing deals is usually the best option because it shows how many deals you've closed and their total value. Leads are useful for early-stage tracking, while revenue forecast helps you predict future performance. After selecting your data source, you'll need to choose how your report is structured. This includes selecting things like grouping and time range. For example, you can group deals by month, by salesperson, or by pipeline stage. This helps you understand patterns, like which months perform best or which team members are closing the most deals. Next, apply filters to refine your report. Filters are very important because they help you focus only on relevant data. You can filter by date range, specific pipelines, deal stages, or even individual team members. For example, if you only want to see performance for this month, set the date filter accordingly. This keeps your report clean and meaningful. Now it's time to choose how your data will be displayed. You can select different chart types like bar charts, line charts, or pie charts. Bar charts are great for comparing performance. Line charts are useful for tracking trends over time, and pie charts help you see proportions. Then select the main metric you want to track. This could be the number of deals, total revenue, or average deal value. For most users, tracking total deal value or deal count gives a clear picture of sales performance. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button at the top right. Your report will now be created and added to your dashboard. This means you can access it anytime without rebuilding it. From here, you can monitor your sales performance regularly. You'll be able to quickly spot trends, identify strong and weak areas, and make better business decisions. For example, you might notice a drop in deals during certain periods, or see which salesperson is performing best. To get the most out of this feature, make it a habit to check your reports frequently and update your filters when needed. This keeps your data accurate and useful. And that's it. You've successfully created a sales performance report in Pipedrive using the Insights feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.